Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
How to increase fetal weight during pregnancy. Once you find out that you are pregnant, it's important to pay heed to your diet, exercise, and lifestyle for your unborn baby's optimal growth and development. One of the parameters that help you know about your baby's well-being is the fetal weight. As a mommy-to-be, you may wonder how to make your unborn baby gain weight. These tips will help you increase your fetal weight during pregnancy. Tip number 1. A healthy and balanced diet. Diet plays the most important role in pregnancy. You should include fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, meat, and poultry in your diet if you wish to increase your fetal weight. Tip number 2. Include nuts and dry fruits in your diet. A well-balanced diet also constitutes nuts and dry fruits. You may eat almonds, apricots, figs, walnuts, and other nuts and dry fruits. Tip number 3. Prenatal vitamins. Prenatal vitamins help your baby gain weight. You should take these vitamins regularly for optimal fetal weight gain during pregnancy. Tip number 4. Stay hydrated. Drink adequate amounts of fluids to avoid any kind of dehydration in pregnancy. Dehydration in pregnancy may lead to some serious medical complications. You may take fruit juices, vegetable juices, milk, buttermilk, or water to keep your body well hydrated. Tip number 5. Take adequate rest. Overexertion or unnecessary pressure may affect fetal development and growth. Try and get a minimum of 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep to keep your energy levels intact. Tip number 6. Stay calm and positive. It's important to take care of your physical health and mental well-being. Any kind of stress and anxiety can affect you as well as your unborn baby's health. The resulting emotional outbursts may lead to overeating, undereating, or making wrong food choices, and all these may affect your fetal health. Tip number 7. Medical guidance. Your doctor will guide you in case your baby is not gaining a sufficient amount of weight. You may be told to take additional supplements or make dietary changes to increase your fetal weight. These tips may help your baby gain weight during pregnancy. However, it is recommended to take your doctor's advice in this matter. What you can eat to increase baby weight during pregnancy: sweet potatoes, lentils and beans, orange juice, yogurt, green leafy vegetables, salmon, eggs, milk, chicken, soybean. Precautions to take while trying to increase your baby's weight in the womb. Avoid alcohol and smoking. Reduce caffeine intake. Avoid fried, sugary or fatty foods. Making healthy food choices during pregnancy is key to ensuring your baby's growth and development is on track. Consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet. With expert guidance and support, you will have not only a healthy pregnancy but also a healthy baby.